Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute. I wanted to vlog today because, one, I miss vlogging. Every time I take a break or get too busy to focus on vlogging, I always miss it a lot. And so that's why I'm doing it today. Also, it is officially December, which means no one can harass me about Christmas content. So that is what you will be experiencing today, is some Christmassy content. I'm headed to the chiropractor right now. What's new? I feel like I always start my vlogs in the morning on the way to the chiropractor, but I'm on my way to the chiropractor right now. And after that, I am going over to my mother and father's house. And we bought our Christmas tree the other day, but didn't have enough time to actually decorate it because it was a Sunday and we all needed to kind of like get home at a decent hour, and you know, because we worked in the morning and everything. Well, not me. More on that later. LOL. But it's not decorated, and my mom and my dad are both incredibly busy people, so I'm going to head over there after I'm done at the chiropractor, put the lights on the tree, put the ornaments up, clean up a little bit around the house because my mom is having a party at the house this weekend, decorate a little bit and stuff like that so she doesn't have to add that to her list of things to do this week. So I wanted to vlog and show you guys what decorating my house around Christmas time looks like. I think we'd go pretty all out. We're not insane like some other people that I've seen before, but we have very classic traditional Christmas decor, and it's stuff that my mom has collected over years and years and years and years and years, and I love it because for my family at Christmas time, nothing changes. All the decor goes in the same spot every year, and I love that because when I'm home for Christmas, it feels like Christmas, and it's one of my favorite things, is my parents' house at Christmas time. So yeah, gonna go head over there and start decorating, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this Christmassy little vlog. So with the fire going, it got a little warm in here. So I'm literally now in my Disney Princess sports bra and my leggings. Oop, don't knock that over. And the tree's almost done. The problem is we have way too many ornaments. So we normally get about like a 10 to 12 foot tree. We really need like a 14 to 16 foot tree to fit all of our ornaments on, because as you can see, like, there's a lot of ornaments. They're really dense up here, and I have a lot to fill in right around here, which is good because we still have 2 full boxes of ornaments. But yeah, so I finished decorating those a little bit, and then this was all covered in greenery just from like moving the tree in. And so I chopped off a bunch of these like lower hanging limbs to make room so we could stick presents under there because they were hanging like all the way to the floor. So now there's room for presents, and we just like have some staged presents that we put out until some real presents are wrapped and ready to go. But with the extra greenery, I put it all in this trash bag right here, and I'm just leaving that for Mom so she can use that to decorate, you know, the dining room table or wherever else she wants, like some fresh greenery. She'll have that. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting some more ornaments on and be in the Christmas spirit. Also, I just want to show off our stockings because they're so precious. I believe my great-grandma did my mom and dad's, these two right here. And then she might have done Andrew and I's. I'm not 100% sure, but they are just so precious. These are mine and Andrew's. And then Hunter's, Mom did this year. It took her like 3 months, 4 months to finish. And then she also did Paris's right after Andrew and Paris got engaged. And it's so precious. And I just love that we all have something like a little bit different. Paris and I both have Santas, which is cute, but I just love how they're all so different. I don't know. I'm obsessed with our stockings. They just remind me of like a classic traditional American Christmas, and I love them. So anyways, gonna get back to decorating this tree, and I'll check in with you in a minute. All right, filled in some of the gaps, and I think it looks really good. As you can see, there is no theme here whatsoever. This is just like, this is Andrew's shoe. This is one my mom got me because I danced in 2007. Like, they're from all over the world. There's Georgia Tech ones, different ones just monumenting different years and events. But yeah, this is our family Christmas tree. And she's all, look how Christmassy it looks. Oh, yay. So I figured I'd just do a little bit of like a Christmassy house tour so you guys can kind of see what all my family does. But here we have like this really cute little Georgia Tech wreath that we've had for years and years. All of this we've had for years. And then in here we have kind of just like a tablescape. Obviously it's not done. There'll be a lot more dishes out here and like plates at every, like we have Christmassy plates that go at every seat. And then my mom's, one of her angels that she always hangs over the table. And this little like china cabinet where we have a lot of cute Christmassy stuff. And these are the plates I was talking about that will go at every spot. Then when you come upstairs, this is my brother's room. I don't know if he wants y'all to see it, so I won't show it, but I will show his big old Santa stocking. Then if we go over to my room, I have this little Christmassy painting that we replace out every year. And of course, a stocking that is Mickey, Minnie Mouse, and Pluto. And then just this really pretty like table runner and my Frozen Lego castle. Whatever. And my little tree that my Nana and I made a long time ago. And then I always put Christmas sheets out, and I have a million Christmas stuffed animals that get put out as well. Then my bathroom is really like a white Christmas kind of theme. We've got these like snowflakes that hang down from the lights, and this beautiful 3-candle like centerpiece. And a fun little shower curtain. So my Nana came over and we added some super pretty garlands up by the loft railing. And then we also added garland over here on the staircase. The only problem is as you can see, about halfway down the lights go out. So we gotta find some extra lights and coil them around to finish this garland. But it looks super pretty, and now I'm about to head home. Oh, that's bright. Because Brendan and I are gonna go to the gym in a little bit, and I gotta go get changed and pack my gym bag. So yeah, got back from the gym a little bit ago and had some dinner. I had a bunch of Friendsgiving leftovers that we still had in the fridge, except the mashed potatoes taste a little funky, so I think the cream in them went bad while we were gone. So I didn't finish those, and I threw the rest away because I don't want to get food poisoning or something. But anyways, I'm about to start working on a little blog post on my computer right here. Sheets are in the dryer. We need to make the bed once they're out, and then pretty much go to bed after that. It's a little later now. It's time to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Christmassy decorating and stuff vlog, even though it was super duper short. I still hope you guys liked it.
Oh yeah.
Give it a like and also subscribe if you want to see more videos from us very soon.
I wasn't even in it.
Well, okay, yeah, from me. Also leave a comment. Let me know your favorite Christmas decorating thing to do. Whether it's like hanging the stockings or trimming the tree or
Watching the SEC championship game. Because it's during...
I'm literally cutting it out of the vlog. Hope you guys have a very merry December. See you in the next one. Bye.